Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is just making some crazy moves on the price. I want to jump into the technicals. I'm going to make a quick video. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I've been making daily videos for 4 years, teaching people technical analysis. My experience, 22 years of trading, and I've been following Bitcoin's charts, cryptocurrency, and pushing people into crypto for the last 4 years of these videos and a long time on other socials. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I wanted to quickly jump in and make a video on the price movement of Bitcoin. Doge down 6%, CIS down, SMR up 7%, MCRT up 6%, TSM 4%, BNB 4%, Meta pumping, the tech stocks just massive pump, Nasdaq 1.3, everything pumped. But look at Bitcoin, look at the price action on Bitcoin on the inflation information came out, and when you look at it from the 4 hourly, not much, but when you look at it closely, look at that inflation data movements. Bitcoin pinged up to 73,000, then dropped down to 70,000, then moved back up to 72,000. It looks like it's big, but if you actually now consider it, that Bitcoin is 70,000, that's only a move we're talking like 3K moves. That's not even 5%, or it's very little percentage, 3% of Bitcoin's price. Like the high was 73,000, the low is 70,000. So that's not even 5% movements on Bitcoin anymore, but it just looks huge. It's like 3%, but it just looks like massive numbers. $3,000 moves are absolutely nothing now for Bitcoin because it's the 70K. This is my over long-term charts, volume going up, and you can see the resistance area of this trend line where the previous all-time high is sitting at about 86,000. Let's go quicker into the 4 hourly just to go closer. You can watch my earlier video today to see I gave away around $200 of prizes, and I talk about the more long-term side of things when it comes to Bitcoin. If you're looking, with these crazy wicks happening on Bitcoin, if you're looking to enter, I would put it on a very big wick down, because when it's so high, it looks like it's a big wick down. But if you actually think about it, it's not even a move like this now is 7 or 5%. It's easily doable for Bitcoin to have just a quick spike down 5%, like we just saw now. Massive spike up, 73K, massive week down 70K, but that was a $3,000 spike. So Bitcoin is easily doing that. However, volume is growing. Safer trade, I would open at the major area of support, 69,450, stop loss 68,900, take profit, it would be 88K and 115K. These are the two, this is the safer trade I would take. For a more risky trade, I would do it, which is 83 risk to reward. It opens 69,453, risking $548 to make $45,000, 800 per Bitcoin with 10x leverage, 450,000. But if you look at it at the closer, if we want to take a quick trade, I would do it off this trend line on a retest and then breaking out of this bullish pennant. I asked people in my, actually I'll give another, because I said I'll do it in my next video, but I wanted to give people a little bit of time to respond. So I'll do it in tomorrow's video. I'm going to give another $100 prize away. If you tell me, I kind of gave it away, but if you comment down here and you comment on Twitter, on the same video on Twitter, what do you think this technical pattern is? And this is where I'd open the riskier trade. 71,400, trying to open a trade on a small wick down and then trying to take that same move, which makes the risk to reward 421 times, which is incredible risk to reward ratio, risking $106 to make $44,000 per Bitcoin. This riskier trade would open 71,393, stop loss 71,287. But look at the volume on Bitcoin, by the way. It's still quite big volume that we're getting. If you look, what I always look for is the volume. I will only sell my Bitcoin positions when I see this volume start to drop off. While Bitcoin's making new high, volume starting to drop off. But right now, it's still quite strong volume. So that's my Bitcoin charts. My Bitcoin trade right now is $217,249 in the profits, 217,000 US dollars, 1,759% on my Bitcoin trade, which is amazing. $217,000. I used $12,000 to make $217,000, which is beautiful. The funding fee on Bitcoin 0.05, so that drop reset it. This account now 899,900. Let's see if it's 900,000. This morning it was 909,000, but 900,000 US dollars just hit, which is beautiful. And you can check my positions in the earlier video I talked about. I just wanted to make a quick update on Bitcoin. If you want to learn what we're doing, go underneath the video down below. 1 is Bybit Exchange where I'm trading. 2 is the courses. 3 is the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And those are, again, the two trades that I would take on Bitcoin. The safer trade and then that riskier trade. When you zoom in, you can see it. If you want to pause the video, you'll be able to see the two entries here. Remember, my trades always enter on the gray lines. I set the trades before I even start. Trade enters, stop loss will automatically close the trade. Take profit will automatically take the profit of the trade. Before I've even entered the trade, I know where I'm going to go with my trades. If you're not doing it like this, you're gambling. And there's a very big difference between gambling and trading, everyone. There's a big difference between gambling and trading. Gamblers gamble. Traders have the trade set before they even start the trade, like I'm doing now. Before I've even opened this trade, I know where I'm going to open my trade, I know where I'm going to close my trade, and I know when I'm going to take profit on my trade before I've even entered the trade. If you're not doing that, you're just gambling and you're just hoping that the price is going to do something, and you're just kind of praying and gambling. And everyone does this in the very beginning. I did this when I was 14 years old. I also prayed to God that the price will go up a little bit, which is gambling. So if you're doing that, make sure you take the crypto master course, join us in the Telegram, learn from the other traders. And again, I'm not trying to sell you shit. I have $900,000 in this account that I traded up from $150,000 a few months ago. So I can spend this money directly from my Bybit debit card. You can spend my crypto directly, so it's just beautiful. So take the courses for your own benefit and learn. I'm trying to teach people how to fish. My goal is abundance for all. Learn, study, stop making excuses for yourself. Stop making excuses that other people made you shit or made you have problems. It's your fault. It's only you. You're responsible for yourself. Make sure you look after yourself. Make sure you learn. Make sure you learn from your mistakes. Make sure you grow and keep learning every day. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.